enda igatwa
ona watikomuika tatu
na ndege kwere ona soka kora mucio na dikikambo kore mundu ria kwindo cia kia ni ati nite neko kwa kathoni ne okumubikia
So babe, ni ndira kwira atiriri, I'm tired. Noigwa, ni demo feel. There's no way men of my age right now, babe, imagine I'm turning 33 next year, and up to this moment we are married for 7 years na tutiri turagia mwana.
Ni ndina makatha tureshire ni ndira igwate.
But is that my problem, babe? Todo we were supposed right now we are supposed at least to ukona mwana at least osio.
Esukuru. I know. Tudite kwa gynecologist atatu. Itiwo.
Yes.
Tudite kuri mapasta taire ginya tukarutaburi tukarutaburi.
No, it's not working. Correct, if it's not working, then I think it's the best thing. Kaudukara the best that is you we break this relationship. So, I can't.
Ureda kujira ukenyo no wodo genyenda au wodi.
Wairimu KAGURE, I've given you enough love. Yani nigwedete muno wairimu. Nigwedete na nijunyedete. No ruguri atiri wairimu. Nigotu gitura ukuta brother na sister surely. Wairimu, you are my wife and it's your responsibility to give birth.
It is my responsibility to give birth.
Yes.
But remember, it is also your responsibility to give seed.
But I've tried. I do my best. I do my best. To remove. Am I the problem?
Neither of us is the problem.
How do I know? How do I know if you are the problem?
To theater facility treatment. Give it to theater.
To be sincere, me I can't. To be sincere, I can't.
Why?
Itagi kihota. Itagi karago. Wairimu, I've given you enough time.
I've given you. Wairimu, diregete guguciarira. Itigu. Diregete. Nitugerete maita maiga naona. Itigu. Sindio waigwa. I have miscarried twice. You think that is something that I have? No, Asha dikiredia otorete o umeshinda ukini hii wiki yote umeshinda ukinipigia kelele. I have miscarried twice. Umerudi job mimi na mimi da igetiwa na keha ya kumiskari mai.
Ruwe katire wairimu, ruwe katire ri. Wewe ugothie wira waku na wana ugathie wira waku ri wewe uthio ikana kuugo. If you can even look for someone else, because for me as for me ndikaita na mwana. At least nitafuta okay, wairimu de wira niguo. Wewe wira niguo. Hizi pesa tunathokoma ni ciaki. What is it for? What is it for then?
Mara gukinya waigwa.
Yes. What is best ni ciaki ru drag it. I would rather go stay at home.
Haina hada utaranyita waigwa.
Hariko wairimu.
Tikurega.
Ni kurega wairimu.
Waigwa ni no ndege gukwira mwana kuma rira tuonanira waigwa. Ni ngoretwo ngikwariria uhoro wa kuria mwana. From the beginning.
Yes.
Gikwira ni remember when we were dating gikwira ni ndenda muthako, ndenda mundu tugwikarana ni yake. Tugia ciana na tukiagrisha nira tugukorwo nacio and we even started naming our kids. I have taken care of myself for igwa etigu.
Let me ask you a question wairimu okay, hena nyumba turaka niguo.
Yes.
Na thoro muthenyo mundu gakinya gwikana ukwiri na tukuithwe riri tugatigire indo icio citu iretira ikiana ngo ni andu. I would rather look for someone else. Someone who ekojia you know we are looking for the future.
Okay, fine.
He's going to do that, yes.
Hena hada utaranyita waigwa.
Hariku.
We murakanwa ni ndi murakari.
Yes.
Ruo rwaku ti ruo rwakwa.
Yes.
Itigo.
Yes.
Umenye ruo ruria wena ruo ri ni gukuja kwirwa weta muthuri ndururagia mwana.
Exactly. Imagine
ruo rwakwa ni 2 years. Nie ndina miaka 30 nie waigwa.
Yes.
Ndiragia mwana. Which means my body with the time dikota kugea mwana.
Yes.
Ndureshira ucio ni undu ningi.
Toko ni kwa ikinyime menopause bere ya miaka yaku basi. That could be the problem. No, I'm not supposed to be ashamed of myself. That could be the reality. That could be the reality. What if kwa nyugo kwena thina basi? Let's assume now what if kwa nyugo kwena thina. Let's assume that because the first time ukigia ball lego ukashika mimba ukamiskari. Nigo litare yake the same. What happens to the third time? What if you miscarry that time and I lose you? Me, I don't want you to die. At least nitera kukona okugo ogithio kago ukenete. You know, we can still be friends even after this. Doesn't mean that because at the root tiragia mwana there is no life after this. What if me and you we were not meant to be? What if
there are so many other options for having kids?
Like
we can adopt.
I want a kid of my own blood, bwana.
We can adopt, not with the surrogate if agekoro ni mwiri wakwa thina. Itigo.
I don't know to get a different gynecologist. We have tried enough. tutumete bia sigana ugobado
kidia. Why you are giving up on me and our marriage?
I'm not giving up.
No,
I'm
not
giving up.
No,
I'm not giving up.
No, that is
I'm not giving. I'm telling you, you can try with somebody else. You can try. No, getting a mudoge.
Kayugere tina mudoge.
Get
no,
actually,
I'm to document it.
I've reserved myself for you so much.
Why are you so open to me trying it with somebody?
Because I can see your stress. Nidona, you are stressed. Actually, you are stressed. The fact that we were miaka that nitumia mukuru, mwana.
Am I stressed enough to be unfaithful? No.
No, I'm not unfaithful. Why are
you so open to this happening?
Because I can see your struggles, bwana. Now the struggles zako.
Okurigana no ore oranyona. If I am not a mother, I am not worthy of you.
No,
that is what you are saying.
Actually, no. Actually, if there's
okurigana nawe, the fact that I have miscarried maita mere, mwiri wakwa okiregaga tuge nitakurega mwana.
Yes.
Itekwenda waigua.
Yes.
Garira gagia depression getwara ginya thibitari waigua. Gakomitwo kurigana nawe. Regardless of what I go through, as long as I am not a mother, I am not worthy in your life.
Let me tell you. I value in my life apart from my mother is you. If
then
there's one woman that I value, because I can see it's not okay. It's not okay. Imagine your friends. Wairimu, imagine your friends. Like Natalia ena siana ida tonego. You are of the same age.
Urenda guthi kwa Natalia basi. Todo we ni wera hanata kigusharira mwana uri urenda.
No. Ndira guthi kwa Natalia. Nigo ndira kwira atiri Wairimu. Why don't? If we've given it tumejaribu for so long. We've given it a try for so long. Tumejaribu for so long. Nitokorire. We are old.
Okay.
We are old. And we need a child.
And I have told you we can try adoption, not to get a giveaway.
Yes. Deda modo wakiria.
Morega.
Iko muno mam. Niki. We are having a small discussion na my wife.
Tukiro ni atiriri. Mura kutaki yondo tirigwa de ya baba secretary waku.
Ni akurikiri by the way ni akoire basi cio gumita akoe.
No ndagwa de kothie.
Niki riu mami.
Tonginya menye kira murandike na ndiki.
Riu mami
mukita kurete mbara guku.
Riu ona tukoragia na watukunagia na ni gutu.
Nende igwa tiga gutinda ukinjira ndatuiria murabe ona ndikwenda update. Uti mundu taramenya kira muruga. No ndenda kuga atiriri. Uguo ndigwa ugari, uguo nigwa kwagiriire. Mundu ni athi kwao. Muna ugitura na nyumba.
Riu mami ona niguo niguo ndirona kwagiriire tondu riu wi.
Waigua.
No, it's a fact. Wairimu ni fact.
Uciarira ri fata wake ni.
Ndigire kitu aliema. No mami tutigike muigata oguo. You know she has been away for 7 years.
Arenda ingatwa.
Ona watiko muigata to.
Na ndege kwere ona soka kora muciura ndikikambo kore. Mundu ria kuindo cia kia ni ati. Niko kwa kathoni ni okumubikia.
Ndukagire kwa kitu disrespectful kwa mami tafadhali. You better attack me but not my mom.
I'm not even going to talk to your mother waigua. Agikoro ni ukinyete handu you and your mother mugaikara thikinya mukeethera muiretu.
Ne mami no tige tu mumuni arona.
I want the
best. Ena akiri ni arona nake.
No.
You deserve a child. Which is not happening.
So you deserve a child.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, let me now be open. Now let me be open and clear.
Ona ndukajariria waigua
thikiriria ugwere unani. Wairimu, I want a child. Actually, to be precise.
You know what?
Someone else is expectant.
Waigua, I have given you my blessings. No, menye nyobera turakira nawe million icio nidirasha. If I am going away with nothing.
Yeah, no, you're not going away with nothing.
Because at this point waigua, ndigana ndirira ona riri ndiraria.
Abadhikire mami yake.
Okora thire mutumia onge.
Yes. You know she's my mom.
Thikereja mugondora wake twa nyumba eno ratindo kiario kaje. No wa pesa nyingi ukira milioni 3.
Yeah.
Yes, milioni 3. Ndarutira 3 akiruta 3.
No.
I have the receipts.
Okay. So what do you want?
I want half of everything. No, I want everything that
I just give you back my money, mom. Tokomuzageria biasi yake. Wewe kina doge. You shall give you your money.
Nene kotali.
we shall give you money.
Because you have gotten to the point of disrespecting me enough, you cannot even defend me in front of your mother. Which is why you are so okay with me.
Could defend it for so long. Could defend it for so long. For 7 good years. 7 good
What do you
years.
think I've been telling people?
My son.
Yes.
Mutumia ona onoraria touri.
No.
I have learned from your mother. Dad yakurikana no renda thoma kuma your mother.
My mom is a very cool woman.
Oh, very cool woman.
I actually like her.
So
she has mentored me. I'm a mentor.
Miscarriages. When she came to me, akejeraga, no, you know what? Gwishira ni undu wega wate mwana. Tondu kurigana na uria ndirona ri, we nduri mutumia mwega. No, don't touch me.
After 4 years. And since then, I've been brought up by this woman.
Okay.
She's my
fine.
Changu cha moyo.
Fine.
Ikatiriri, please, eh? Okay, this is my business. This is my office, eh? Kindly
leave. Ini yake.
Pea simu zake.
It's cool.
Asha, before I leave, let us agree.
Yeah.
Na haha ndukarie mami, please. Niguhete gitio miaka mugwanja ndikwariirie sija kutukana.
Mom pia tuko kirada kuga. Okay, sawa, address me.
I am talking. Tutaranire. Milioni 3 cia mugunda.
Ni sawa.
Tiguo. Haya. Hena hende your mom ari thibitari. Etiguo. Ari na milioni 3 ngiruta 2, that is 5.
Yes.
Etiguo.
Yes.
Wabici ino nini ndagwakire, nini ndagwetheire wabici na.
Icio cia ndokometa wego.
Kama ukira mutumia ayo.
Amka. Get out. Unakuthi kidogo gucokeria for your information. Nothing.
You get that digari cia kwanyu.
You can assume. If you can shout at my mom, then you are going with nothing here. Actually, get out.
Mwangi, how are you?
Get out.
Yes, I am doing well.
Call him.
Nura rikana hari na investment ya 18 area ya shipment cia wira wa waigwa. Yes, the 18 million for the shipment cia wira wa waigwa. Dada kuhiga account yo. Ucoke wira uria wari uhinguro wa KAGURE ri wa milioni 6 ri. Account icio ninye ndirenda gucihinga. Arafu agikorwo hena mbeca wikiti account-ini ya waigwa ndirenda ucicokie. Yes, I know his account will be left with nothing. Yes, I know he filed for bankruptcy last month. I don't care. You just do what you will. Kindly close his accounts, close his mother's accounts, na wira wake uhinge. Gutira makane ni ni aroete kiria donia milioni 3.
Nawe ndirenda kwira atiriri. Hapana.
Ereta kiria ta collateral, that is okay. Aya ni sawa. Kindly horira riri. Horira mwaniki. Yes, horira mwaniki. Umwire aigire nyumba yo. Kindo kiria giothe ndagurite ni waririkana tukiandika prenup. Indo ciothe ucioe, please, kindly. No thie kwa KAGURE, please.
Kwao.
Indo iria ndagurite.
Kwao.
Ucioe.
Tamwirete riri.
Kindo giothe ritwari yakwa, yes, kindly. Yes. Sawa. Thank you so much.
Bwana Mwangi, wait. Ngoja. Hello, Bwana Mwangi.
Ngoja.
Just try and do that. You know me very well.
Oh, here's the thing.
You know me well.
Forgot. Why what?
You know me well, Mwangi.
Oh.
Just try and do that.
Why what? This is the part where you learn. The reason as to why I am a lawyer is because I work with contracts. And you forget every single dime of mine you signed up for it.
And this is the part where
agree, as long as we are not married to each other, that was not a gift. And it was not a donation, which means you owe me every single freaking cent that I have given you.
And this is the point where you die.
Oh, by the way, actually, no.
Where do you?
Actually, Ekatiriri.
Tiga mathirete ne.
Ona wakila moshi wega leo. Ukifika nyumbani vizuri. Actually get out of my office.
Actually I have been paying. I have been paying for
Get out.
Toka nje. Get out.
I will slap you for the past.
Get out. Wairimu uma. Out. Nje.
You will pay for this. You will pay for this. Ogo tigara tare na kendo. Ginya office yeno. Ogo tigara tare na kendo. No iwa. No tumio se na agociarira. Bete we gatho ni ucio ena thuri acio. Atato hena umwe wa gifera, hena mungi wa kiria wako. No wako.
No arekia.
Ni mo guciarira kana kena mukingo.
Hatire thina. I love HIV and AIDS. Actually, that one is free. That one is free.
Oh really?
That was working on the free. Actually, imagine I'll be given a special diet. And that I'll have a doctor on follow-up. Oh!
I have built you from nothing.
Momora.
I will take away every single investment that I have.
You're free to do so. You're free to do so. Tutaona. Yeah. We shall see. Yes. Nonsense. Ora mamu ori ndimuonaga wega. Actually I fear that woman.
In fact ona family yo ni ndarigirwo atiriri wanyita nayo naoku. Ungethire mundu mubonoku.
Kumbe ni ngai ajehereria kiundu kiragioke mbere. No he mbeca.
Ni mbetha ate. Tunyongere ikinye 40. Ndikiria thimu-ini. Ndatiga ebe igikiro mwaki.
Sawa.
Thank you.
Tina ndike kawira kurutaga hoguo. Ngiuragira Mr. Mwangi.
Wa kaire tu takamenyere gatigatunyarire.
Igatigatunyarire.
Na gatikathake nani. Mundu ni igakibonoko thia kauga ngukundirwo nawe.
Yeah. Hello Mr. Mwangi. Please don't listen to that woman. She has just gone wild and mad right now. Actually unatiga nyunagira murango wa office na avuja ginya laptops yakwa cia wira. So I don't know how I recover those documents. Yes please. No, she's a lawyer, yes, lakini hiyo sikushtue. Of course money talks. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wagona. Ni sawa. Aleha. Haya.
Ndio nakwambia sijaongea. Nasema kijana wangu alioa msichana hapo. Ni huyu msichana simpendi. Huyu msichana mimi nataka hiyo marriage yao kiiko kiu kiao kitharare thara.
Tondu ndumwendete.
Ndimwendete na ndikwenda kuga kwa kusia. Ndikwenda kusiaro kindu ni.
Wagona. No mwana wake. Haya. Marada kuminyora data.
Ndenda ruga atiriri mwana kio cia aragurire muiretu ucio na ni muiretu ucio na family yao ndimiendete ni kwoguo ri ni muiretu ucio ni tiwero ka mugo wakwa tiwero ka mugo wakwa ona akoro mwana kene aramwenda ni riu ngwenda atiriri tondu no arabikire na no arabikire ngiregaga ri ndikwenda magaciara kindu kuni
aikara kono ndagaciara kindu
nginya mwana kio wakwa kanoga anoga ri amuingate
ndagaciare kindu atia
ndakae gukagia mwana kugwa ko
na ikare ko
ni ikare ko nginya manoganie na mbeca ciake ituike cia murio wakwa
mbeca cia muiretu ituike cia murio wako ogo niguo renda
ogo niguo ndirenda
na ndio yake menya hena thogora ndio gutiro tutekaga Eyo. Haya.
Moga thungura. Ndaiga ta moga thungura.
Acha.
Moga ndo.
Kwa mwana kesho hakunywa shoge. Mwana shoge ndio kwa. tiga mwana kioyo
tena na keri na mwili tu
mwana kiosho
ule
ni marori oro wake
ule
ushioke
ale hona alitaga wira America
arenda mugayane
ati tugayane mutugane na
arenda mugayane
sauga yundu
uyu uraneo uyu muti uri na mutimia urenda maundu make mutimia ndakage wake ndakage mwana ucio ni waku ni magwika uguo no nawe uri America mwanengere
asa mere mugio ndungi ucio akindithagio
matirago mugio ndungi ni mugaga ni ukohota kana ndukohota
tugwika uguo ndureke mambe manjĩtie kĩndũ kwamba kũbota nĩgetha ndĩbanga bange nĩgetha ndĩbange sinĩgũke
Asha ni arega ugatirire ugiteithie ni rwanyarire
wanipei kitu
aiko bado koto una umatiota guteithia
kwa hiyo nitete tu
nike wena kio
ndina riri ndina mburi ithatu na kuri na ya buraki ndina mburi ithatu kwina ya buraki imwe
ya buraki
ini hari ya buraki
ina gacini
ona kamwe ona hatiri eigite
ni moigo sawa sawa ya no toyo hiki
kiki
besha ile sha mutimia wa mwana kile ogea ni mitoiga Mary imukale ya na basha omweli
sawa kindu obatakire towe umeki sure ni aranengera ama ni ndirane
ni akunengera
ni uguo ni ndi mwihokeku
no hare kaundu kage
kariku
kaundu kau kage kariku ni tondu mutimio wake alioku aigo ni mutimio wa mwana kenda alioku ni mutimio ucio we umenyo uhakikishe uhakikishe ati ni aliukaga ku kwako
tukwenda natagikwa na mutungu aliukaga bau
na wona oka wona oka ku ukamurugera
kamuheke
akire urugite na mwanake waku akaria ku wahitania rĩu ndeto nĩngũkũhereca
nĩngũrũnga bau rĩu nĩ kwega nĩngũrũnga
wanyita no mwisho wa mweri
kabasa
turamenyane sawa namenya nĩ mbeca cigana mũtumia ũcio namenya heagwo mbeca cigana heagwo ngiri igana rĩa 50 anakwenda ya mwena 70 mai wekera basha omweri nĩ arĩ kũheaga
kayo na wewe nĩguo wĩ mũhikani tondũ wĩna mbete
ĩni kana ũrenda atĩa
wangwana nĩ makorwo me mahikani
ĩni nĩ mahikanagia ũreciria
nĩ ũguo nĩndarĩkia
no ũreciria atĩa
asa gũtirĩ
ĩno rĩ ona ndekĩrĩte tene ndĩona no twĩcirie ũndũ ũngĩ ĩĩ nĩ ũguo